Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're all ready for another exciting session. Today, we're going to focus on another crucial element of storytelling: setting. We'll explore the importance of setting in storytelling, learn how to create vivid and immersive settings, and engage in setting exercises to develop descriptive skills. By the end of today, you'll be able to create settings that will transport your readers into your story. But before we get into that, let's do a quick recap. Can anyone tell me what we covered last week? We learned how to craft compelling characters by understanding their development and creating character profiles. Exactly. And today we'll learn how to give life to the world our characters live in. Let's delve deeper into building engaging settings. The setting is not just the backdrop of your story. It's a living, breathing part of it. It's the time and place in which the story unfolds, and it influences the characters and the plot. Let's start with the basics. What are the key elements of a setting? Time, place, atmosphere, and mood. Exactly. Now let's try creating a setting together. For this exercise, I want you to create a setting description. Think about the time, place, atmosphere, and mood. That's all for today. Next week, we'll explore the intricacies of plot and structure. See you then.